Hey there, in this video I'll show you how to hide a section on Wix. Let's get straight into it. First, head to your Wix dashboard and click the Edit Site button. This will open the Wix editor where you can make changes to your website. You'll see your website layout on the canvas. Now, click directly on the section container you want to hide. Make sure you're clicking the section itself, not an individual element inside it. When you've selected the section correctly, a toolbar will appear on the section. That's your confirmation that you've got the section selected. Next, look for the Show or Hide icon in that section toolbar. It's usually an eye icon. Click it once. As soon as you do, the section will be hidden from your live website. In the editor, though, you'll still see it. It'll just be grayed out with a hidden label on it. That's how Wix lets you know the section is hidden while still keeping it visible in the editor, so you can work with it later if you need to. Verify the section is actually marked as hidden. Look for that hidden label on the section and check that it's grayed out. If you see both of those, you're all set. The section won't appear on your published site. Now, here's something important. The section is hidden in the editor, but for the change to take effect on your live website, you need to republish. So once you've hidden the section, preview your site to make sure it looks the way you want. Then hit the Publish button. If you skip that step, the section will still be visible to visitors even though it's marked as hidden in the editor. If you've hidden a section but it's still showing up on your live site after republishing, go back to the section in the editor and double-check the hide setting. Sometimes the setting doesn't stick, especially if you've made other changes at the same time. Toggle it off and back on, then republish again. One more thing, if you ever want to unhide a section, just click the Show icon on that section's toolbar. It's usually a crossed-out eye icon. Click it, and the section reappears on your live site after you republish. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.